I'm literally on the brake.
Okay, just let it go. Oh, shit. So, a couple of years ago, I bought a motorbike that basically broke. Long story short, I had it fixed a bunch of times, but it never really works properly. It currently lives at my house that I lived in a fair few years ago. So it's basically been illegally parked somewhere for the past like 2 years, and I really want to get it back. But we don't have a vehicle capable of carrying the bike. We don't have a ramp, so I'm with my brother and we're going to go to B&Q and see what happens. Look at these two Muppets. He's got no helmet on. He's definitely just stolen that. Definitely just stolen that. All right, onwards. You know what I have forgotten? Like, genuinely? Keys.
For the bike?
Yeah.
Oh.
There's absolutely no chance the bike will start, so we just need to get... Well, these are the things that we need. So we need a van.
Yeah.
And we need a way to get the bike into the van.
Yeah.
But I'm proposing that we get a bit of wood, a long bit of wood, wheel the bike up into it, and then we buy an axe so that we can cut the wood up to put it on the fire pit. Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
I don't think a bit of wood will hold it, to be honest. I don't think it will be strong enough.
Well, it depends what wood you get, surely. There's some wood. 2 bits of 4x2b or whatever they call it. She is quite a heavy girl, the bike.
I think we'll end up just lifting it.
We're going to lift it. Right, we've had a slight change of plan. Bailey's come up with a cracking idea. Over there is the van that we need to rent. We're going to hope, fingers crossed, that they've got a ramp for us and it's not going to cost £1 million.
Or we just lift it.
Or we lift it up. Right, ramps. These are all just jacks and stuff. Right, we've tried. Halford's had no ramp. We're just going to have a look at this van, see if we could rent it, and if we could possibly lift the bike with sheer brute force. It's not very high, is it? Really? Like, I think we can get
it's
that.
fine.
I think it's fine. Right, let's get.
It's not
this
like
boy.
a pickup.
Let's get this bad boy. Right, situation update. We've rented the van. We've got to wait 15 minutes until we can drive it. But this is it. Toyota Pro Ace, a fine van, steel wheels, hubcaps. Is it open? Where's the key?
You've got to do it on the app.
What, you think the app unlocks it?
Yeah.
Any minute now. So we're in. That's crazy. We literally came here, downloaded an app, took a picture of my driving license and passport, and now we're driving a Toyota Pro Ace. Oh, there's a curb there. I must say, already, it's a fine van. It's very comfortable. I like the shape of the steering wheel. I've always been a bit of a transit enthusiast, but we'll see how this gets on. Can't go wrong with the Toyota. The digital dashboard, that's pretty cool. For a van, that is very exciting. Bad mark for the Pro Ace here. That armrest is terrible quality. It's not locking into position. It's not giving me much support. That's one good thing with a standard Transit, is all of them come with 2 armrests. Doesn't sound like much, but that makes all the difference when you're on a long drive. That
It's flimsy.
I'm not happy with that. What's your thoughts on the sound system? I had a slight mild panic when I realised that I didn't think I had the keys to the bike, but I found them. We've got some straps. Let's have it. I probably could have been a little bit more organised with all this. The gate is not open. We're presented with 2 problems that we need to deal with. The first is the code to the gate. I'm going to try the code it used to be. Oh, the gate opens. The second problem is, will this fit underneath? Is it all right?
Slowly.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's fine.
That's 2 problems dealt with. No problem at all. Absolutely no issues. All right.
there a petrol can attached to it?
Yeah, that was when I was trying to fix it.
Oh.
So, here's the bike. Let's
Unpack her.
get this cover off.
It's sick though.
It's a BMW F650 Funduro, they call it. This one's got a different paint job with the Dakar stickers on it. Continental TKC 80s, so it goes all right off-road. It's got an exhaust as well. What is it? The Dominator exhaust.
That is cool.
Big old 650 single that doesn't work.
I bet it does.
Off she goes.
Yeah, look at the front tyre. That's just...
Is it really flat?
Yeah. Right.
Okay.
I don't know if we're going to be able to film this bit.
Right, we're going to give it a go.
Yeah, right. I think if you be in charge of pushing it,
Yeah.
and then I'll...
How are we going to do this? You were so confident, Bailey.
Yeah, I think it...
You think it's going to work?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, God, it's happening.
Yeah, is that man?
Oh, yeah, hold on. Fuck. That's it. Right. Get the stand down. Bike's in. Very happy with that. Bosh. Got the bike. It's in the back of the van. We've strapped it down. Let's see if it's still standing up when we get home. Stop squeaking.
I think, let me get out.
Jesus.
We're not having a fence come down today.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's still there.
Still standing up. Still there. That is good.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Come in.
I'm literally on the brake.
Okay, just let it go. Oh, shit. Right, we need to lift it up. Okay, it's coming. Get the balls. Oh, fuck it. Why is it not doing anything? Oh, scheisse. Okay. Back wheel. Is it on the ground?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Ready? Wind up. There's a stand down. What's the damage? The bike's out. Only just. How's your back?
Fact.
But it's there. It's touched down. It's out the van. No ramp required. There you go. Bike mission completed. Just got to get the bloody thing working now.